God bless you. Viewers all over the world, wherever you are watching me from, share this prophecy. Prophecy is not I see, I saw. It is when you speak and it come to pass. Remember, my name is Eagle Prophet of the Nations. The reason why they born me is for me to prophesy. I give a prophecy about the presidential election that is going on right now in United States of America. And I said on the month of December 2019 that I saw the President Donald Trump being the president of America, but it's not going to be easy for him. So now get this clear. Today's date is 5th of November 2020. Now, a lot of you people have been sending me message. People have been calling me all over the world. Prophet, what did I say concerning the election now in United States of America? Get this clear. God is not a man that can promise and fail. God is not a man that can change his word. Whatever God said is final. Hear me clear. The Bible said in the book of John chapter 3 verses 19, Jesus said that the people of the world love darkness instead of light. Trump is a light, but the people of the world love darkness. So you could not, don't be surprised that the vote of Trump is low and the other man is higher. The Lord said from my own mouth as the Eagle Prophet of the Nations that I should not measure the name of the own position of the election between Trump and somebody. I cannot measure his name because as I did not measure his name, he's not going to win. The person that is going to rule America is called Donald Trump. Whether you like it or not, mark my word. Hear me clear. When I'm praying yesterday, about more than 4,000 people sent me text message yesterday calling me, Papa, what am I saying concerning what is going on now? And I begin to pray. When I'm praying on my prayer room, the Lord said to me, the Eagle Prophet, I answered. He said, call me a name. And I asked him, which name, Father? And he said I should call him the fourth man. So the name I called God yesterday is called the fourth man. What does the fourth man mean? Fourth man is the man that saved Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego in a place of fire. Listen and hear me. The fourth man does not come when things is moving all right. The fourth man does not come when things is sweet. The fourth man come when hope is lost. His name is the hope of hopeless. That is the reason why he did not touch the heart of the Nebuchadnezzar, so that he will not put Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego in the fire. He blocked the heart so that he will glorify his name. And he appeared in the fire. He opened his two hands. And the fire did not affect Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. That is the reason why he's called the fourth man. And to share this prophecy I'm releasing today, being 5th of November 2020. Make sure you share this prophecy to the whole world. Now get this clear. There's a man called Daniel in the book of Daniel chapter 6. If you read it down, you will see what God said to Daniel. When they put Daniel in a place of lion, that the lion should kill Daniel, the Lord appeared there and closed the mouth of the lion. That is the meaning of the fourth man. The fourth man always appears when all hope is lost. It did not appear at the beginning so that Daniel will not be put in a place of lion. I don't know the lion that President Donald Trump is facing now, but I see the fourth man settling the problem of Donald Trump. You will give the testimony. I, the Eagle Prophet of the Nations, have spoken. Prophecy is not I see, I saw. It is when you speak and it come to pass. Now get this clear and share this message. I saw in the realm of the spirit this morning when I'm praying for America. I opened a book. A book was opened in my right ear and I saw it clear in my eyes. And that book, they write it Donald Trump. Another book, they write it Donald Trump. The third book, they write it Donald Trump. I said, what is happening? He said to me, I should deliver this message to the whole world that he is the fourth man. What is the meaning of fourth man? When a woman is married, she don't have a child. The womb is blocked. When the fourth man enter, the womb will open. The woman will conceive. When a doctor say that a man cannot produce, when the fourth man enter, the man will produce. When a doctor say that a woman cannot produce, when the fourth man enter, the woman will do what? We conceive twins. When a fourth man enter, everything begin to settle. Fourth man does not come when things is moving all right. Fourth man come when things are delicate, when there is no more hope. That is when the fourth man take a place. Now, share this message. Get me clear. I saw in the realm of the spirit about this fourth man I'm talking about, and the Lord began to explain the meaning of fourth man. Why did they went to remove President Trump? They went to remove President Trump because of what is going on now. The Antichrist went to take a place, and they went to remove him so that the achievement will take a place. But Christian, it have come to an hour. In the time of Elijah, Elijah said, call your God. Let me call my God. Let's know the God who is going to answer. My name is Apostle John Stephen, the eagle prophet of the nations. Remember, the reason why they born me is for me to prophesy, and the reason why they born me is for me to perform signs and wonders. As I said before, if a doctor went to do operation for a woman that went to put to bed, what will happen? They will immediately, the doctor carry scissors to tear the woman's womb. The fourth man will appear and the baby will come down. It's not by mighty or by power, but it's the spirit of the living God. Pray for America. It have come to an hour. Let the God of the eagle continue his work. I send him to America. He's working there now. Fear not and worry not. You will give me a testimony. I am giving you this date. From now, today's date is 5th of November 2020. Before 31st of this November 2020, you will hear the latest news that Trump is on the seat of America. Worry not, the eagle has spoken. Remember, I give a prophecy about the man that will win in Malawi, and I said that Lazarus Chakwara will be the president. It come to pass. And I give a prophecy about election in Edo State, and I said I mention the person that is going to win, and it come to pass. And I give a prophecy about this, what happened in Nigeria in October. I said that I mention how it's going to be, and it come to pass. And I give a prophecy about what happened in Ansorom. I mention that it will happen on the month of June, and it come to pass. And I give a prophecy about what happened in Ondo State. I said that the people that is going to win, and it come to pass. All my prophecies, all of them have come to pass. So hear me clear. Panic not and worry not. It is the hour for the mighty man in battle to battle the battle of Trump. Tell President Trump that my name is Apostle John Stephen, the eagle prophet of the nations. I am praying for him. If nobody is praying for him, I am praying for him. And that seat belongs to him, nothing else. Mark my word. I said it before that I'm going to accuse President Trump. It is not going to be easy for him. But the mighty man in battle, in the book of Psalm 24 verses 8, his name is the mighty man in battle. He's going to battle the battle of Trump. I congratulate Trump as a president of America in Jesus' name. God bless you. Shalom.